Come for the latte.
Ready? Yeah, go get it. Go get it. Go get it.
Come get it.
Get it. She's like, now give me some of that.
What the baby will do for a latte on her first birthday. Take her first real steps. And she backfires and crawls back.
Got this. Trinity, come here. Ouch. Trinity.
No kisses.
Daddy girl. Kiss, go.
Kisses, move.
We.
Come get the cookie.
Okay, the latte made her a little drunk, but she's good. She's good.
All right, post it.
Go get Bridget.
Come here, Trin.
Go get your drink.
Need a drink? Move, dog. Up you go. Up.
Here.
There's the big girl. Up.